DJI Avata 360 Replacement Lens Kit. If the outer lens of the camera is scratched, you can replace it yourself. Please operate in a dust-free, dry indoor environment. Removing the old lens. Make sure the aircraft is powered off. Place the aircraft on a clean, soft pad to prevent lens scratches. Keep the lens you want to replace facing upward. Put on the included gloves. Align the teeth of the removal tool and the lens ring and press until they lock. Rotate to loosen. Then lift the ring off. If the removal tool slips during rotation, lock it back in place before continuing. Attach the suction cup to the center of the old lens. Press firmly to ensure a strong grip. Then pull the lens out. If the rubber ring is out of place, put it back into the slot. If there are any smudges or dust on the inner lens, use a suitable cleaning tool. Installing the new lens. Detach the suction cup from the old lens. Use the same suction cup to hold the new lens and peel off the protective film. Align with the inner lens, then pinch gently to detach the suction cup. Use the removal tool to place the lens ring flat onto the camera. Rotate to tighten the ring until the mark on the ring aligns with the groove on the gimbal. If the ring sits unevenly, loosen it. And adjust until it is level. Then retighten the ring. Stitching calibration. Open the goggles menu, go to Settings, Camera, and select Panorama Stitching Calibration. Alternatively, run DJI Fly on the remote controller, go to Settings, Camera, and select Panorama Stitching Calibration. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete calibration and ensure optimal stitching.